So today's question is self-directed IRA a good idea?
Well, I think it's a great idea if it matches what your goals are and your risk tolerance are and things like that. So the ability of a self-directed IRA is really that combination that I spoke about a moment ago. So you're taking the tax advantages of that money and you're combining it with the returns that you can get on investments that are outside of Wall Street. And a lot of us, have some expertise in real estate, or we have a real estate team that we trust, or we have a good educator that we're kind of, molding our processes on. So I think when self-directed IRAs work the best is you take that tax tool, meaning that, your returns can compound faster. You might be able to pay a lot less taxes on a transaction. You combine that with the expertise that you have kind of either from your own experience or your team. And that's really when it starts to shine. And, make no mistake about it, the real power here is the tax deferred status of the earnings, as well as, the whole tax performance of the account. But a lot of people just don't know that they can use that in conjunction with their real estate investing or other types of investing as well. But that's really when it shines, when you can take that investment that you have confidence in and combine it with the tax advantages.
Wow, that was amazing. Thank you for sharing, Clay. By now you're probably thinking using your IRA investment options can be pretty challenging, right? So I'm giving you 3 more resources to help you. 1, you can find Clay's contact information in the comments below. 2, what's your question? Put it in the comments below. 3, I put together a step-by-step guide titled How to Use My IRA to Buy Real Estate that you can get for free. Just click the link below for easy download.